Welcome to Lavanya's computer classes. In this video, I will explain logical database design, that is conversion of ER diagrams into relational model. Conversion of ER diagrams to relational model, I will explain in this video. So ER model entity relationship diagram, already we know. Entity relationship diagram means I have entities, attributes and relationships, and relational model means data is stored in the form of tables, relations. So first I will explain how to convert simple attributes entity set into table. That means the entity ER diagram contains only simple attributes. So I will take one simple example. Employee table, employee entity set with attributes are employee number, employee name, and only two attributes. So attributes are represented with ellipse and entity set is represented with rectangle box. ENO is the key attribute, that's why just underlined. And I took one more attribute, that is salary. So this is a simple ER diagram. Entity set with three attributes, all are simple attributes. So now this ER diagram is converted into relational model. Relational model means data is represented in the form of table. So what is a table means? Table is the combination of rows and columns. So first how to convert means first step is name of the entity set is converted like a name of the relation, name of the table. So entity set name is converted like a table name. And second one is what are the attributes of the entity set? All attributes are considered as fields of a table. So attributes are considered as fields in the table. Name of the entity set is considered as a table name. And third one is which one is the key attribute? The key attribute is considered like a primary key of the table. So these three are the important things. So entity set name is converted like a table name. All attributes are treated as fields in the table, and key attribute is considered like a primary key. So using these three properties, just convert the ER entity set diagram into a table. So in the above example, which one is the entity set? The entity set name is EMP. So EMP is considered as a table name. Now second one is attributes. So how many attributes are there in this example? Three attributes. So the three attributes are converted like a field names. So first field is employee number, second field is employee name, third field is salary. So second step is over. Third one, key attribute. So in the above example, key attribute is employee number. So now it is considered as a primary key of this table. So this is the conversion of simple attribute entity set into a relational model. Next, second example. Second one is how to convert entity set with composite attributes. Entity set with composite attribute. Any ER diagram contains composite attributes. Now how to convert into a tables. What is the meaning of composite attribute? Means any attribute is possible to divide it into subparts. He is known as a composite attribute. For example, name, student name or employee name, any name will be divided into some parts like first name and last name, our name and our initial. It is known as a composite attribute. Now we'll take some simple example. Entity set is employee. The attributes are employee number. It is a key attribute. That's why I put underline. Next, employee name. Now we'll take employee name like a composite attribute. That means employee name is divided into two parts. One is the first name, second one is the last name. So here employee name is a composite attribute. And one more attribute is salary. Here I consider employee number and salary both are the simple attribute. Employee name is a composite attribute. Now, how to convert this ER diagram with the composite attribute into table. So, first part is Name of the entity set is like a name of the table, that is employee. Second one is employee number because it's a simple attribute, and one more simple attribute is that is salary. Salary is also a simple attribute. So salary is also considered as a on a key attribute field in table. Now we go for composite attribute employee name. But employee name is a composite attribute. Don't take directly. We write the components of composite attribute, subparts of composite attribute, that is F name and L name. Those are treated as a fields in the table. So this is the example for composite attribute conversion. Third one is relationship sets into tables. So here I took three. One is the employee set, entity set with attributes are employee number, employee name, salary, and to department number and department name. Both are related with one relationship works in, and one more entity set is locations. So this is an example for ternary relationship because one relationship with three entity sets: employee, department, and location. And how can you convert this relationship into table form? So what is the relation name here? The relation name is works in. So table name is also works in. And what are the fields in this table? So take all the strong entities. Employee is the entity set with primary key attribute is employee number. Take all the primary key attributes. In the department table, DNO is the department number is the primary key, and locations, the locations address is the primary key. So consider all the primary keys of three entities, then three fields, then. Now we go for works in relation. In the works in relation, have one attribute that is known as since. So that attribute is also considered as a field. So this is the table of works in. So this is a conversion of relation into tables. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.